Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today I'm going to be opening a couple things from Amazon that are for the Honda Passport. So we've got the 2021 Honda Passport. Has 700 miles on it. I've had it for a couple of weeks now. I'm pretty happy with it. It runs good. And I just picked up a couple small things from Amazon. I spent like 200 bucks and got like 5 things. So the first one is this package, and I'll post a link in the description. So if you like it, you can pick one up for yourself. So this is a cargo net. It's an envelope style cargo net for the rear of the vehicle. And this is it's a really roomy SUV, which is nice. But it does not, it has hookups for a net, but it didn't come with a net. So what that ends up meaning is when I put stuff in here, it kind of slides all over the place. And because there's so much roominess, so much vastness, it slides all over the place, and then it's like way back here, and then I have to lean on the bumper to get to it and all that stuff. So first world problems, I know, but I picked up a net and it was cheap. So the net has hooks on one side and loops on the other. So hook, loop, just like that. The hook goes on these factory kind of clevises that are down here, just like that. And this loop is supposed to go up here, like that, in the factory location. And then we will hook this on the other side. And there we are. And the point of this is to be able to take things and set them in here so they don't slide all over the place. So let's test that out and see how it works. And there are actually little clips here. It came with a couple extra of the plastic clips to hook it into the vehicle. But this one is supposed to be for the Passport. I don't know what that really means, if the length is specific or whatever, but there we go. So we have our bag. You know, let's say our bag contains some groceries or something like that, or just a backpack like that. So yeah, there. It's in there. Can't really slide around. And we can shut the gates. Grab that. And there we are. Cool. So that's the first thing. It was like 24 bucks, something like that. All these couple things were under $30. So the next thing that I got is this, and this is from a company called Cup Holder Hero. So they actually make these in a variety of colors. The ones that I got are black and gray, and these are for the Passport. They also make them for the Ridgeline and the Pilot. I think that these were closer to 30 bucks, or like $28 and change. And what we have are a bunch of these are like rubber mats that go inside all of the little nooks and crannies all over the vehicle. So let's lay out what we have, and we'll take a look here. All right, so we have like 30 pieces. It's crazy. Maybe even more. It's like $1 a piece. So there's lots of different things. So we're just gonna kind of go around the vehicle and see what goes where. So let's start here. So we have door handle. And a square. Oh no, this goes in here. For here. So these those spots. The hardest part of this whole thing is trying to figure out what goes where. Let's do the back door. Okay, so back door has a double cup holder like that, and one of these, and triangle, like that. Okay, so I'm kind of an idiot. If you scan the QR code here, if you just read the instructions, it actually brings up this website that shows you where everything goes. There's a whole bunch of them. Now what I did find is that I ended up with a couple extras. So this is an extra because I have USB ports in the rear. These two are extras because they don't show them on my car. So I have no idea what they're actually for, but it's actually a really nice kit. There are rubber things for all of it. For here, the cup holders, this area down here, this shelf that slides out, door panels, bottom, upper, here, same thing on the driver's side, and then in the back, here, center, cup holders for the middle, and they actually give you double-sided adhesive to stick these ones down so that they don't pop out when you close it. And in the back, right there, in the left, and here in the right. So, yeah, 30 bucks. I think it's nice. There's a ton of storage all over this car, you know, double pockets, front and rear. There's like a cup holder thing here, so like you could stick a cup here, you could stick a cup in the door. There's a variety of places. Well, they all have hard plastic surfaces for the most part, so your things kind of flop around all the time. So you have like a pen sitting in the side and it like rolls back and forth. So the idea with this is to kind of keep down some of the sound of things clunking around and rolling and making noises and stuff like that. So I think it was $30 well spent, and we'll see how they hold up. But they seem well made, like a complete kit. Instructions were good. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.